We are a nonprofit organization that serves the basic needs of those in our community, and we have a thrift store and an eBay store that provides the revenue for us to do the programming for the community that we serve. We distribute in excess of 500 boxes of groceries per week. That equates to about 1.5 million pounds of groceries a year. And we touch thousands of people in our community. So the impact is far-reaching. We actually have clients in 39 counties in Georgia. When somebody buys something from our eBay store, right now they're not charged sales tax. We don't have to collect or remit sales tax for our online sales. We do for our brick-and-mortar store here in Georgia. You know, I'm hoping that the court will do the right thing, because if Quill is overturned, that's going to be a death blow to some small businesses. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do, to be honest. I'm hoping that we never have to cross that bridge. So my answer is I just don't know.
Well, I mean, for the state, there's a huge amount of money that's being left on the table, right? So people are moving from buying things at your local box store to buying something online. Currently, states aren't collecting the taxes associated with those transactions. And if the Supreme Court votes in favor of the state, then what you're going to find is that states can collect those dollars. And you're talking, you know, hundreds of millions of dollars that are on the table for each of these states. I mean, you've got these mom and pop operations, right? People who are selling, you know, knitted sweaters online. And so now they're going to have to charge people taxes when you pay. That's a very simple thing to do, right? You just add a tax amount on the final bill. And then they're going to have to report those taxes to individual states. So what it does is it just adds an additional accounting element to the way people do business. Truth is that there are all types of rules and regulations that businesses have to keep track of, and we typically think about these things as just the transaction cost of doing business. And so you add one more transaction cost. It's too bad for the businesses. They're going to have to figure out how to pay taxes, but you know, I don't think people are going to go out of business because all of a sudden you add one additional transaction cost.